I don't even know what half of these internals are, but sometimes it just makes me really want to. What we are witnessing here, other than greatness, is yet again another new Soundqubed product in 2024, the Q4-2000 4-channel amplifier. Now, something in the box, obviously, other than the amplifier, is a quality control certificate. Here's another thing Soundqubed is doing to circle the drain. So if you have your serious front stage and or rear stage that just needs some, let's say, extra juice, you've stumbled across the correct video. 325 watts a channel at 4 ohms, 500 watts a channel at 2 ohms, or 780 watts times 2 at 4 ohms bridged. This amplifier features high-speed Class AB processing with a Class D footprint, obviously. Not only do you get gobs of power, the power you're actually getting is clean, soft, and elegant. Fits in an anodized aluminum case measuring in at only 13.2 inches in length, 9.4 inches in width, and 2.8 inches in height. If you haven't noticed, the backplate is actually 100% plexiglass. She's so goddamn juicy. Over on this side of the amp, we got our 4-gauge power and our 4-gauge ground inputs, a power light, a protect light, a clip light for channel 1 and 2, a clip light for channel 3 and 4. Over on this side, we get Tiffany style RCAs along with all of our adjustment settings. Seem to have ×1 and ×10 switches, 2-channel and a 4-channel switch. If you're into 2-ways or 4-ways, I guess. Imagine that. This is something you don't want to throw at somebody. Until next time, peace out.